then I dare you to chug this whole Dr. Pepper without burping. And I'm about to do it to prove you that I'll not burp.
Out there. Make sure you get to see how more expensive shit it is. Now you're tired.
No burp. Try it.